Guys, welcome back to another No BS video on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to replace the heating element in a dryer, just in case it's a Speed Queen dryer. So let's get started. So before you make any dryer repair, unplug your dryer completely. Don't touch any of the prongs. Okay, so starting at your front cover, you're going to take an 8mm socket. You're going to have 2 bolts. You're going to have one down here, one over here, and this will pop your cover off. So 2 screws out, boom, boom, put these off to the side, and this is going to be so simple. Drop it, look inside, that's your heating element that you're going to take out. Super simple.
Here we are inside of the dryer, and I don't have anything off but the front panel, and I've got the dryer unplugged, and I've got my 10mm right here, and we're going to take out 2 screws. One, don't lose that. What's the other? Once those are out, they should drop out. You gotta get your hand in here.
Okay, here's the old heating element that came out. It just drops right down. You don't have to take anything off but that front cover, so don't listen to any of the videos, and I'm going to show you now what to do. Get the new heating element next to the old one, and you're going to take this piece off and this piece off, and they're going to use 1/4" sockets. So this is what it looks like when it's all transferred over. Simple as just plug and play. Make sure your dryer is unplugged when you do that. So now let's put this thing back in.
So once you're inside of here, putting it back in, it's just as easy as it's coming out. So it just slides up. So you just bring it in, bring it up. You gotta kind of finagle it a little bit. Line up the screws. And just like that, 2 screws in, your new heating element has been replaced. Now you can put your front cover on, or now be a good time to take this off and see if there's any crust in there. All that's left to do is get your cover and place that back on in reverse order. So little locating pins are pointing upward. Just go into the little holes down at the bottom. Okay, so you plug the dryer back in, set it, hit it, check and see if it's hot. I know mine is because I've already done this before. So if you like this video, please tell me in the comments below why you liked the video and why you think it was better than the other videos you watched. I really do want to know. Thanks for letting me get to 100,000 subscribers, and I'll get you in the next video. Thumbs up for No BS videos. Later.